Have you ever wondered how to apply for a passport in India? Well, sit back, relax, and allow us to unravel the mystery for you in a simple step-by-step manner. The first thing you need to do is register an account on the official website of the Passport Seva Kendra. This is the online portal where all the magic happens. You'll need to provide some basic information like your name, date of birth, and contact details. Remember to keep handy any documents you might need. After account creation, you'll log into the dashboard. Here, you'll find a link to Apply for Fresh Passport / Reissue of Passport. Click on it and you'll be directed to an online form. It's pretty straightforward, just fill in your details accurately. Once you've filled the form, you'll need to submit it, but wait, don't rush. Take a moment to review all the information you've entered. Once you're satisfied, hit the Submit button. After submission, you need to pay for the passport application. You'll find an option to Pay and Schedule Appointment on the dashboard. Click on it, make the payment, and pick a convenient date and time for your appointment. Next comes the physical verification process. On the day of your appointment, you'll need to visit the Passport Seva Kendra or Regional Passport Office. Carry all your original documents along with a set of photocopies. They will verify your documents, take your photograph, and collect your biometric data. After the verification process, you just need to wait for the police verification. They will visit your residence to confirm your address and other details. Once that's done, your passport is almost ready. The final step is the most exciting one, receiving your passport. It will be delivered to your doorstep by post. The entire process from application to delivery usually takes about 1 to 2 months. So, to summarize the key points discussed in the video, register on the Passport Seva Kendra website, fill in and submit the application form, make the payment, schedule an appointment, attend the physical verification, wait for the police verification, and finally, receive your passport. There you have it. The complete guide to applying for a passport in India. With this knowledge, you're all set to embark on your journey, whether it's for business, pleasure, or an exciting adventure. Safe travels